People, this is Pink Frog Yellow Boots from Behavior. With a motive to achieve holistic health for everybody, I'm back today. A little back. Okay, so how about we think of subconscious learning and formations of stereotypes today? Let me give you an example. Most of the people who are watching me today would have watched Games of Thrones, the GOT. What was the most evident thing after fighting for the throne that was picked up by people? Nudity? If I be specific, it would be female nudity, which was very evidently shown there, and objectification of women was a subconscious pattern that was projected. But with that, there was such a low male nudity shown. This was a subconscious pattern formed in people's mind which would say that who wants to see nude males? This, if you haven't thought about, give it a thought. Males in today's time do suffer from self image issues, body image issues, personality issues as much as women do. Projecting something and not projecting something both have their impact. If I ask you people, was it necessary to show nudity? No. But the divergence showing female nudity as it influences female objectification and nudity, not showing male nudity was a subconscious pattern that emphasized that male nudity or a man's body is not admired, has to be of certain standards, or is not really looked forward to, and it forms a subconscious pattern of not being enough in your own body. This is how subconscious patterns are formed. Be it something you see, be it something you don't see. Very same way, when I speak of stereotypes, today I would be speaking about the advertisement, the men will be men advertisement. If people have not seen that, I would suggest that you people visit the Google and ask for them. When you see the men will be men advertisement, I would not name the company, but when you see that, it shows that men lack cognitive functioning when they see a woman. Cognitive functioning is your reasoning, your processing of information, your decision making skills, and other lateral thinking skills that your brain does. If I ask you, do you have male friends who look at female and they have that much of common sense of how to see them with respect, regardless of them just being female objectified and losing their senses? The men losing their senses after seeing a female is what I'm putting forward. We all have friends and we know males don't react that way. It might be influential, but after the influence comes the brain function of processing the information and making a wise choice on the decision and reaction. Men are capable of that. Stereotyping men as not having common sense to use when they see a woman is belittling towards men, and not just belittling, it also offensive and putting them down. it is important that we are aware of the stereotypes. We can use our basic brain functions to analyze things and see if these stereotypes are really valid. Also, when your brain forms a subconscious pattern, it is always important to keep a check and regulate yourself and come to senses of what is right, what is not right as being projected. We all know that all people are beautiful as they are, not according to what societal standards are, but people are beautiful for who they are and what they do. So there is no judgment to it, but there needs to be an awareness when it comes to subconscious brain patterns being formed and stereotypes to be justified and accepted. Not all stereotypes, they are called stereotypes because it's socially very acclaimed. Always be mindful. Wishing everyone a happy and a healthy mental health.